Welcome to How to Legal. Are you sick and tired of watching people who act on fake news, misinformation, disinformation, and/or defamation, getting arrested and ending up in jail and prison? I know I am. Have you had enough of learning about children who were killed, and police officers committing suicide? Have you had enough of seeing scores of individuals, including judges, who have been defamed, trolled, harassed, and who needed to take security precautions because people believe fake news and act on it? I know I have had enough. If you are sick and tired of any of this, then please join me as I show you how to legal, so you can be a part of the solution to this fake news crisis, before it becomes even more dangerous out there in the real world. How to Legal is about using the good side of the internet to combat the dark side. It's about becoming informed, should you choose to become informed. It's about knowing where to look so you can verify facts, news, and information about the US justice system. This way you won't be duped or led astray by fake news, bad actors, oath-breaking judges and lawyers, or by politicians who will say anything to their voter base, even if they know it's BS. Do you want to live your life freaked out, enraged over BS, or possibly be sued for defamation because of fake news? Do you want to end up in prison or dead because of fake news? I didn't think so. Are you in? I hope so, because I'll be pointing out some open source legal resources I came across when I was learning how to legal, as a pro se, self-represented, defamation, false light plaintiff. These are legal resources that anyone, non-lawyers, can use to learn about the justice system and different cases in this hyper-politicized era. If you know where to look, you can identify fake news about the United States justice system. How to Legal demonstrates this by following court cases with judges who are faithfully discharging their duties under the Constitution and the laws of the United States. By learning from ethical, honorable judges, will also help you identify the judges who are not, like some of the judges who were exposed in the Reuters and Wall Street Journal investigations into judicial misconduct. It's a win-win for everyone who respects the rule of law and who cares about the truth, right? How to Legal will also show you how easy it is to translate legalese. It's easy because of the good side of the internet. You can use How to Legal as a go-to guide, and the open source legal tools, to find out what is true or false about a case and the United States justice system. For me, I want to do what I can do to make the internet a safer and a more honest place for everyone. I don't want to see anyone else harmed by fake news, and that includes you and your children. The only rule about How to Legal is to pace yourself. Take lots of breaks. There's a reason why lawyers spend years in law school. You are not going to learn everything overnight, and there's always something else to learn. But by starting to learn, you will know where to go to verify facts and proper judicial procedures. In the description box below will be links to articles, where you can access the legal resources and cases referred to in How to Legal episodes. I hope How to Legal can play a role in helping to prevent another January 6, 2021 attack on the US Capitol, and other real-world events triggered by fake news. Over 700 people in 48 states were arrested after they stormed the US Capitol because they believed and acted on fake news that was disseminated, in part, by lawyers, officers of the court, who broke the model rules of professional conduct. It's a really good idea to read the model rules of professional conduct, so you won't be deceived or duped by lawyers who break them. I'm not a lawyer, and I've read the model rules of professional conduct a bunch of times. You can read them too, thanks to the good side of the internet. What's an officer of the court? An officer of the court is any person who has an obligation to promote justice and uphold the law, including judges, clerks, court personnel, police officers, and attorneys, who must be truthful in court and obey court rules. Source: NOLO. It should be a given that officers of the court tell the truth. But we know that is not true because of the thousands of reported cases of judicial misconduct. So, I'm going to show you where you can find the rules to protect and defend the ethical judges, and to help expose the rule breakers, the liars, the officers of the court who subvert justice for some unjust gain, to help restore integrity to the U.S. justice system. By learning how to legal will give you an appreciation and respect for the ethical judges, the judges who faithfully apply the laws and stand firm against corruption. These are the judges who are preserving the integrity of the United States legal system and democracy. The same applies to all ethical officers of the court. We here at How to Legal, It's Just Me, respect, appreciate, and admire the judges who live by their oaths and follow the canons and rules. I don't want to see ethical judges or anyone else harmed by fake news, misinformation, politics, defamation, or harmed and robbed of due justice because of judicial misconduct. In this era of tweets, postings, salacious headlines, and red meat sound bites, I am breaking down How to Legal into installments and categories to make it as easy as possible for you to be able to scroll down to whatever it is you're looking for, skip the rest, bookmark How to Legal, and you can come back later. This way you won't feel overwhelmed, burn out, and give up. Learn as you go. Learn as you need to know. Take lots of breaks. Again, do you want to live a life freaked out over BS, or get sued for defamation, or end up in jail or dead over fake news? Periodically, I'll be inserting musical interludes to ensure that you take breaks. Learning How to Legal can be intense and draining. You have to be good to yourself, your mental and physical health, especially in these changing times. What's better than taking a music break, stretching, dancing, and moving around after sitting in front of your computer for a while? So are you going to take back your power, think for yourself, invest in yourself, and be a part of a solution to the fake news crisis, so we can focus on fixing real problems? It's up to you. I hope to see you back here soon, taking advantage, and benefiting from the good side of the internet. Let's wrap this up. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.